How to reset iPhone with computer. And is the restoration backup available on your Mac or Windows PC? The solutions are here in this guide to reset iPhone with a Windows PC or Mac. A complete guide to reset an iPhone with a Mac or Windows PC. However, it happens with the wrong passcode so many times. So, it requires resetting the phone with new passcode, contents, and settings. Requirements to reset. A USB cable compatible with Mac or Windows PC. The Mac must be with a USB port, an OS X 10.9 or later and conditions for compatibility/backup/applications. Ensure your Mac or Windows PC has an updated operating system before resetting your iPhone. You must have an Apple ID and password to make a backup on iCloud. Prepare devices. Make sure your computer has enough charge or connected to the charging port. Take an OS or Windows compatible iPhone cable. Turn off your iPhone and connect to a computer. Important, unplug your iPhone from recharging before turning it off and connecting to a computer. Don't mind following the steps to switch off your iPhone and connect to a computer with different iPhone models. iPhone X/iPhone 8 Plus/iPhone X or later/iPhone SE, second and third generation. Now press the right side button again and immediately connect your iPhone with a cable to a computer. And keep the button holding until the recovery mode appears on the screen. iPhone 7/iPhone 7 Plus, 7th generation. Turning off the device is simple for the iPhone 7 and iPhone 7 Plus 7th generation users. You need to press the right-sided button and hold it until you see the power off slider on the screen. iPhone SE, first generation/iPhone 6 or earlier, 6th generation. And connect it to your computer with a cable as soon as possible. Keep touching your device's home button until the recovery mode appears on the screen. Complete the process, erasing/restoring/resetting. We are close to ending the entire process of resetting your iPhone with a Mac or a Windows PC. You must have the updated version of iTunes on your computer. Erasing.